Illustrate a number of things about jobs, especially in software development. So here I'm on LinkedIn. I've done a search for the term software developer. And as you can see, there are quite a number of jobs that are on display. These are jobs that are not bound to a particular locality. These are global jobs. And somehow this looked at my profile and figured out that these are the jobs that are most suitable to me. But the key point I really want to emphasize is you look at a number of these jobs. So for example, this first job here is a Java job. So this is a Java developer. So in this case, this Java developer is expected to do quite a lot. They have 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience. They need to have OOP and solid principles and design patterns. So not just the language. The language is one component. You need to understand the syntax of Java, but you also need to have these conceptual ideas of solid principles and design patterns, whatever those are. Now, the thing I really want to emphasize here is that a good number of jobs require experience in more than one language. So look at this job. This is a job, software engineer, Wave Mobile Money. And this is their stack. They expect you to know Python 3 using the MyPy version of Python 3. They expect you to at least have some understanding of the GraphQL, Android frontend, Kotlin, iOS frontend, Swift. Now, they're not saying that you have to have all of these, but just think about it. If you're to get this job, the more you have, the more you will have a standard chance of getting this job. Let's look at another one. Here's a senior, that's reasonably better. Okay, let's look at this. Software engineering specialist, data engineer. Okay, here's a data engineer. And what they'd like you to do is Python, SQL, DBT, AWS. So here, you're not just learning one thing, you need to know a number of things. What's the point? The point is, how do you learn multiple languages, especially to have the kind of experience that is expected of you? And that is where TOC comes in handy. TOC is a framework that gives you a perspective of programming languages independent of the particular languages. And if you want to get a job where you are working with multiple platforms, multiple languages, then TOC is such an approach, and that's why we have the workshops. So join a 20-minute info session about TOC and the workshops that we'll run every Friday at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. every Friday, East African time. Learn more about TOC, learn about the workshops that we run. They are one-day workshops, and we'd love to have you join. See you there. See you at the info sessions.